Let us see the characters first. The prominent characters are Philip, Tom. We have few more characters also. Susan, who is Tom's fiancée, Tom's mother, Tom's father, Professor Clinch, and Dr. Chaff. Let me tell you the story now. Listen carefully. The story begins with the death of Tom's uncle Philip. When Tom's uncle Philip passed away, Tom was just only 37 years old. Let me tell you what happened before the death of Tom's uncle Philip. Philip wanted to meet Tom, so he sent message to Tom to meet him. 1 week before his death, he sent this message to Tom to meet him. You know one thing, children? Tom didn't even see Philip in his entire lifetime. Why do you know? Philip hated Tom's mother completely and Tom didn't know what is the reason behind it. Tom's mother also instructed Tom not to expect anything from his uncle. I mean, Philip is the own brother of Tom's father. Now let me tell you who is Philip and how he lived his entire lifetime. Philip was an inventor and he was a great, clever mechanical engineer and he earned much money by his improvement in turbine wheels. This is turbine wheels, and he was not married. He lived his entire life as a bachelor and he cooked himself, and he was very much interested in collecting precious stones like rubies and pearls. He had much desire to collect precious stones. By this precious stones, he earned a lot of money and he became the richest person. And after he became the richest person, he was desired to possess that rare, costly gems. Babies, we have this type of behavior that if we buy new pen, right? Often we will see that pen and then we will be very happy that I have a beautiful pen like that. So the same thing also which was done by Philip. Whenever he collected the new precious stones, he used to carry the stones in his pocket and he took it out then and there to admire the beauty of it often. After that, he added that with the collections in his safe at the trust company, that he can keep all those things in the safest manner. This is how Philip lived his entire lifetime. Now we shall see what actually happened between Tom and Philip in this story. We have seen in the beginning, right? Philip called Tom to meet him. So during that time, Tom was a clerk and he was very poor. So now Tom was thinking, my mom told me that I should not expect anything, I should not meet him like that. Now he is calling me. What shall I do? Whether I have to go or not to go, like that he was thinking. At the same time, Tom is thinking about Philip's situation also, because Philip is not living with his family. He is alone, all alone. No other person is there to help him. So Tom thought that better this is the best to go to meet him. So Tom went to Philip and he sat beside Philip. After seeing Tom, Philip began to smile in cunning way, but actually Tom didn't know anything about him. Now Philip started to talk to Tom. So he said,
Tom, you may think that it is very strange. I will explain you. I have been living on an annuity.
Annuity means a fixed amount which paid to someone each year. I mean, here that someone is none other than that Philip, okay? So, into which he put all his fortune.
You may all think that I am a money minded person. Yes, of course, I lived my life like that, but now I realized and I just want to be as a good person, at least in one of my family members. Tom, you may think, what am I going to give you? You may think that I am poor and I have only my annuity. Tom, the biggest surprise is waiting for you. I have never departed from my precious stones which I used to collect. Now, after me, that will be yours. You are my only heir. If I give you these stones, I may carry the satisfaction of making you very, very happy to my another world.
Which means after his death.
And Tom, I know there is no doubt you have a lot of expectations, and I desire that you should continue to expect lot and lot. And all my jewels are in my safe, and apart from that, there is nothing to leave.
Children, these are the words talked by Philip to Tom. After hearing this, Tom thanked Philip for this because Tom also living his life very poor, right? While Tom thanked him, he just smiled and said,
Tom, you will have to pay for my funeral.
Tom also ready to do that and he felt very pleasure to spend amount to put him away in the earth than he did anything before. After accepting this, Tom got up to beat him. That time, Philip said,
Tom, the rubies are valuable. They are in my safe at the trust company. Before you unlock the box, be very careful to read a letter which lies on top of it, and be sure not to shake the box. Don't come back. It won't hasten things.
The way Philip explained this is completely strange to Tom, and don't come back, it won't hasten things means actually Tom, as he is very poor, he is in need of amount, right? So for your need, don't come back. For you, I can't die soon. Is the meaning of it like fun talk? Here, the conversation is over between Philip and Tom. Remaining part of the story we shall see in the next video.